In this quick video, I'll show you how to categorize products in Shopify to keep your store organized. So firstly, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the left hand menu, click products and then select collections. Collections allow you to group products based on specific criteria like type, price or tags. Here you will see all of the collections you added in your Shopify store. So by default, you will get this collection which is home page. To delete it, we just need to select it and then tap on the three dots and then tap on delete collection, and now click on delete, and then the by default collection will be deleted. Now to create our first collection, we need to tap on create collection and then give it a name to your collection. So my collection name is clothing, so I'll just type it here. After that, add a description for your collection. So my description is this, which I have added here, and also you can drag and drop your image on your collection to give a picture to it, and also choose how products will be added. You can select manual to add products one by one, or automated to automatically include products that match specific conditions such as keywords, price ranges or inventory levels. Once done, scroll down to the bottom and hit save, and you can see I have successfully created a collection inside my Shopify store. Now to add products inside this collection, we need to go to the products menu from this panel, and here select all of your products which you want to add inside your collection. So my collection was clothing, so I need to select all of the clothing products. So these three products are of clothing, so I need to select it. Once you select your products, tap on the three dots from this side and here click on add to collections, and after that it will show you all of your collections inside your store. So I have this collection, I need to select it, then tap on save, and now all of these products are now added on my collection. If I go to collections here, you can see this is my collection and it has three products in it. I can just open it here and you can see the products. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.